I am Swapun, a professional artist and the founder of CYANVAS Art Institute. Today I am here to give you a great news about online drawing and painting courses. In our online and offline courses, we have already guided more than 25,000 students in our 20 years of journey all over the India. If you are interested to learn how to draw or to develop your drawing skills, then you are in the right place. Here in this guide, I have divided this course into 12 levels, starting from kids level to senior most level. It's also very helpful for those who want to take admission in art colleges for higher study, for fashion designing courses or architecture courses. For further details, contact with us in this number. Today we will learn how to draw a composition, a fish seller composition. So at first we will draw a straight line, then we will complete the gesture drawing properly. Now see, after complete the gesture drawing, we will start the first figure. At first we will draw a circle, then we will draw a shape look like a L, then we will complete the neck portion, also body. See here, body and lower portion, it look like a cylinder shape. See the shapes. Now see, we have to complete some objects. Also we will complete the legs. So now our first mannequin structure is completed. Now we will draw a horizontal line from the neck portion. Now we will draw a circle from here. Also we will complete the body and his hands. Here I am taking 14 cm gap in between two standing lines. Now we will draw another figure from this portion. We will follow same process. See the process. I am using here some cylinder shapes and it looks like a robot structure. Now see, after complete the mannequins, we will go to the detailing. Now we will complete the detailing. Also we will add some objects. Now our drawing is completed. Now we can start the color. When you start the color, you have to follow the light and shadow portion properly. Here I am using oil pastel color and pencil color. Now enjoy the color.